We're starting with 1/4 a cup baking soda, and then we're going to mix in just a little bit of water to create a paste. If it ends up being too watery or a little too thick, just add a little bit more baking soda or a little bit more water, just depending on if it's too thin or too thick to create a paste. Once you've got your paste, go ahead with a sponge or a washcloth, whatever works for you. Just go ahead and spread that all over the oven glass door window, and you're going to go ahead and let this sit either overnight for a couple hours, whatever works for you, but the longer you let it sit, the better it works and the easier it is to scrub off. You're not going to have to scrub off any of those burnt on pieces or splatter stains or anything like that. At the next morning, I went ahead and got a bowl full of water and a washcloth and went ahead and just started wiping all of that residue off, getting everything good. Make sure you do this well, otherwise you'll have these streaky stains of baking soda. It doesn't do anything, it just burns when you turn your oven back on, so definitely take your time with this, get it all. And then once I had my door pretty well cleaned off, I just took a dry paper towel and wiped off all of the excess. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up.